Check out this Renpho Shiatsu Foot Massager. This thing feels great. This foot massager has a 15 and a 30-minute timer, low to high knead intensity, and also comes with air intensity from low to high. You can also adjust on or off with the heat. After a long, hard day of work and you feel like your feet have taken a beating, this is a perfect tool you can use to reach a maximum sense of satisfaction. My advice when using this, be sure to start with the lowest intensity level. Everyone have different foot sizes, so I wouldn't encourage you to jump right in with the high intensity.